In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on DocuSign, update contact info, full 2025 guide. To get started, open DocuSign and sign in to your account using your usual login credentials. Once you're inside your account dashboard, head to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile picture or your initials. Click on that area to open the account menu, then choose Manage Profile. After that, look for the section called My Profile Information. Or in some versions, you may simply see a name section. This is where DocuSign displays the first and last name currently connected to your account. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the correct place before making any edits, especially if you manage more than one account or profile. Next, find the update option next to your name and click it. A small window or edit panel should appear, allowing you to change the information tied to your profile. This is the area where you can correct a spelling mistake, update an outdated name, or make changes if your legal name has changed. Now go ahead and enter your new first name and last name in the appropriate fields. Be careful to type everything exactly the way you want it to appear. Since this name may show up in parts of your DocuSign activity, such as notifications or other account-related details, it's a good idea to double-check capitalization and spelling before moving on. Once your new name is entered, click Save. After saving, DocuSign should apply the updated profile name to future activity on your account. In most cases, the change happens right away, but it's still smart to confirm that everything updated properly. To do that, return to your profile and check that the new name is now displayed correctly. This quick review helps you catch any typing errors before they appear elsewhere in your account. Finally, keep in mind that your DocuSign identity can appear in places like email notifications sent to recipients. So if you changed your name because of a typo or a legal name update, make sure the information is fully correct before sending your next document. That way, the right name appears consistently and professionally. And that's how to change your name on DocuSign. If you follow these steps carefully, your updated profile information should be set and ready to use.